What happens if you put a 6.2-liter turbo diesel in a rusty old Nova? Time for a suspension upgrade. Now we're just gonna Yeah, that's where I picked it up.
Okay. Really looks like they used it as like a farm truck car.
Unbolt. Where's my battery low on this thing?
Do you have a cable?
Yeah.
Okay. More light would help. Or...
Yeah. Twang!
That was a little more action than
Country western style twang.
Yeah, that had a good. I think it was all just this this overload spring, you know.
It's working.
It definitely is working. It's scaring. Where's that 960?
Don't be a scaring.
Don't be scaring. Be a Karen. Easy.
I think we already.
Did I loosen these already?
I loosened the back ones. I know.
We must have done that before. Oh, that one wasn't even in.
Yeah.
So we just have the shack. Hey, these aren't horrible.
It's full race.
I think that's the best looking one we have out of all 8.
Yeah, it is. Overachiever.
It's protected from the elements.
You need a hand? I can get the back of this.
Okay. Yeah, we just need to clear the handbrake cable.
All right. I'm gonna rotate.
There we go.
Sweet.
All right. Oh yeah, everyone's favorite part of this. Rusted in. Get some juice. Just trying to spin the bolt in the sleeve.
Yeah.
Control arm.
Yeah, that worked good.
Hey, look, it matches the car.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's factory paint,
yeah. Is this factory too?
factory color.
Oh.
I want to get it when it pops out.
Boom. It is. It didn't come out this easy.
I know.
Oh, look at that.
Look at that, like a glove. Before you do that, let's see what it looks like. All right. Pretty good as new.
Better than new.
It's seasoned.
Is that what they talk about, seasoned blocks?
I think it's got a lot of seasons on it.
It looks like I seasoned it.
Yeah. It's been seasoned, all of them winters.
Salt and pepper.
Right.
Alright. Yeah, it's a lot of squish there. It's gonna look good.
Boom.
Boom.
Need help?
You know what? Big, strong guy here. Look at that.
I can hold this side.
Need a washer. Nope, this one needs to go first. spread some gold on those threads.
Yeah. I like this rust color too.
Yeah,
Fits the motif.
Yeah, it's just fooling everybody.
Click, click.
Torqued.
That's right. It's official.
Oh, of course, the one that doesn't thread easily is going to be on the top.
Yeah, that's right. Got something that'll fix that. Look at that. It just wants to be in there. Is the helper spring in its proper spot? Can we push that together and then vice grip it?
Yep, that's what I did last time. I used just some C-clamps.
Sweet. That's gangster. Yeah. Get some squeezy. Gotta get it lined up. It's all lined up.
All lined up. Look at locating.
Easy breezy, lemon squeezy. So you going for the shock? Or just put the clamshell on there?
Yeah, I'm still trying to lower this and get it located in that isolator bushing on the top.
Oh, okay. Does that have a locator too?
No, only the bottom plate
Only the
locates
bottom?
everything.
Okay. Good thing you have those 9-foot long SWAYBAR bolts, huh?
It's the only thing shiny on the car.
Kind of feels out of place.
I wonder if I should find some rusty ones.
Yeah. Actually, if they have the distressed ones.
You have to pay extra for that?
I think so.